Okay, now we will start working on the models. The first model we need, as you know, that is the owner model. This website is in general a portfolio website, and therefore it has an owner, and we need to provide dynamically the owner information. Okay, so to do that, we will go to the models.py and start working on the class owner. So first thing is to start with the owner model. We need first name equal to models dot character field with max length 100. We need also, for example, birthday models dot date field. Okay. We need the freelance models dot character field. This is just to provide that the owner is available for freelancing. Let me say that max length is 100, and I will copy this one different times here. Mail, that is a models dot email field. We have a LinkedIn link, that is models dot URL field. All these options are available from Django. You do not need to configure anything. And let's put it as blank equal to, it means that is optional. Same thing for a GitHub link. We need a description, and here we need something different. Well, you know that we have a text field, but it's not editable. You cannot provide like a specific shape or some words in bold or italic. So if you need more control on the text, you can use the CK editor. In order to use it, first you need to install it first. Well, so let's stop the server and say pip install Django-CK editor, and then we will add it here in the apps. Fine. Next step is to come back here and import the CK editor. So what we need to say is from CK editor dot fields import rich text field. Okay, now we can use it for the description. Let's add a quote as well. That is also a rich text field, or let's keep it just models dot text field. We need main underscore photo, and here to provide a photo we need to configure medias. So let me stop here, go to configure media in the settings.py, and then we come back. So first let's go down here, maybe in this space, available space here, insert a comment, media configuration, and let me say that. Okay, so what's media, by the way? Media is that when you need to upload data, you need to configure the place where they will be uploaded. So in order to do that, you need to configure media settings in the settings.py. Media underscore root is equal os dot path dot join of the base directory with the media. We have also media underscore URL, that is media. Perfect. One additional thing is that we need to add a line for the main urls.py here. We need to say here plus static of settings. Okay, sorry, we need to import static settings first. So from django.conf import settings, and we need to say as well that from django.conf.urls.static import static. And now we can use settings.media underscore URL, comma, the document underscore root is going to be settings dot media underscore root. So in general, these configuration are important and essential in order to configure or in order to deal with the uploaded file and where to place them and so on. We call them media. Now we can come back here. Now I want to say that main photo is a model, models.image field that is going to upload to photos /%y, %Y, %M, %B, or %d. This is like when I'm going to upload a picture, it's going to be uploaded on a path that is photo, for example, /23, 2023 August. So if it is August /8, if, for example, we are in the 1st of August /1, and so on. Okay. And here we need to add something else, by the way. Later we will talk about that. That is something very important to secure your website, and that are the validators. When even if the admin wants to upload something, it should respect like the extension or the type of the file that is uploaded. So in this case, since we need to upload an image, we need to accept just specific extensions like PNG, JPEG, and so on. I will copy this one and paste it here, and I will call this one cover_photo. And finally, we need to upload our CV, since it's a portfolio website, so it's a file field. And let me copy this one and paste it here again, and now it's CV here. And for sure we will deal with the validators as well. Let's create self and return self.name. We didn't finish yet because we need to configure the validators, and in addition, since this is a portfolio website, we need to make sure that the admin panel cannot accept more than one single record for the owners. This is a portfolio website, so in other words, we have just one single owner. To configure this and to prevent anyone from adding multiple records, we need to configure that using Django. We'll deal with that. Okay. Now, in general, we can do something like create a super user to check that all data are correct. For example, we can, make migration. So let's start first by creating a super user, because it's something very important. Python manage.py create super user. We have a problem here. Maybe the above exception if auth user. Okay, so we need to run migration first. Python manage.py make migrations. Python manage.py migrate. Here we go. Perfect. Now let's start by creating super user. Ali. We have a password. Great. Let me just make migrations again. Okay, everything is fine. Everything is fine. Let's go and check the admin panel. So let me check the admin panel. Sorry, I need to rerun this server. In this case, run server. Okay, now I have Ali and the password, and I have everything here. I just need to insert this one. So the owner is not registered yet in the admin.py. Okay, the owner is not registered yet on the admin.py. That's why we are not able to see it on the admin panel. And we can do it directly, but let's work more on the models.py, and then we register it at the end and we check that everything is okay. Fine, we will do that on the next video.